Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make the best thumbnails using Canva. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and a strong design can make the difference between someone scrolling past or clicking your video. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to Canva's website. In the search bar, type in thumbnail. Canva will show you a wide range of ready-made templates designed for different niches like gaming, beauty, education, and more. Browse through the available designs and pick one that fits your style or content. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Everything can be customized later. Click on Customize this template. Canva will open the editor where you can start making it your own with just a few clicks. Focus on the text first. Choose fonts and colors that stand out but also match your content. Keep it bold, clear, and concise so it's easy to read even on smaller screens. Next, add your own image. Click on the Uploads tab in the left menu, upload your photo or graphic, and drag it into place to replace the default one. High-resolution images work best. Position your image and text so they work together. Avoid clutter. Your goal is to catch attention quickly while keeping the design clean. Finally, review your thumbnail using Canva's preview. Once you're happy with it, click download and select a high-resolution format. This ensures your thumbnail looks sharp and professional across all platforms. And that's it. You've just created a vibrant and engaging thumbnail in Canva. With the right design, you'll not only attract more clicks, but also make your content look polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.